Here are some exercises for you to practice using the ternary operator. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. Here is an example solution. Let's determine if a number is even or odd using the ternary operator. So let number is 7, and the result will be number modulo 2 equals 0, and if this is true, the number is even, and else the number is odd. And for number 7, output is odd. For number 6, output is even. For the second exercise, we have to implement the codes that checks wherever a user is logged in or not. And if it's logged in, print welcome back, and otherwise print please log in. So let is logged in, let's say is false, and the message will be is logged in, and if this is true, welcome back, and else please log in, and the output is please log in. And let's categorize numbers. So let number is 150, and the range will depend on number. So if number is smaller than 0, let's print negative, and else let's check if number is equal 0. If yes, let's print 0, and else let's check if number is smaller than 100. If this is true, let's print positive and small, and else positive and large. Now let's test some cases. For 150, output is positive and large. For 100, output is also positive and large. For 98, output is positive and small. For 0, output is 0. And for -1, output is negative.